you. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life all around. The sweetest things I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I've stayed. I'd here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted to, I'd listened to before, and I swear it taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. Through the years it's easy